Welcome to the world premiere of Kitchen Alchemy, the show where we turn your home into a laboratory of wonder and mystery. I am your lead alchemist, and today we're doing something truly spectacular, something thought to be impossible. We are reaching deep into the cosmos, into the far-off night sky, and we are going to capture a swirling, spinning galaxy inside a single glass bottle. Now, this isn't just a simple craft project. No. This is a visual masterpiece, a symphony of liquid physics and deep space mystery, all happening right here in your kitchen. And here's the best part. If you successfully complete this experiment with me, you will earn the prestigious Cosmic Creator Badge. Are you ready to begin your journey into the stars? Let's first consult the alchemy archives. For thousands of years, ancient alchemists dedicated their lives to understanding the hidden secrets of the universe. They looked to the heavens, trying to decode the dance of the stars and planets. Today, we know something they only dreamed of. The very same physical laws that govern the movement of distant stars also control the liquids right here in your kitchen. It's a connection that spans billions of light years. We are going to harness the fundamental principles of density and light to create a breathtaking interstellar nebula, one that you can hold right in the palm of your hand. It's like having a piece of the cosmos all to yourself. But wait, before we proceed, we must ensure your mind is properly calibrated for the science ahead. It is time for the Alchemy Reflex Test Level 1. Round 1. The color blend. Look closely at the two liquids appearing on your screen. I want you to predict what will happen. If they are mixed together, will they combine to turn purple, or will they turn green? Think fast. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. If you chose purple, congratulations. Your eyes are attuned to the cosmic spectrum and are ready for what comes next. You've passed the first test. Round 2, the sparkle scan. This one requires your full attention. Somewhere in the background, a hidden star is moving. It's subtle, a tiny glimmer against the void. Can you find it before the timer runs out and it goes supernova? Look carefully, scan every corner. Did you spot it? There it is. Incredible focus. Your observational skills are as sharp as a comet's tail. You are now officially ready to begin our grand experiment. Now, let's gather your alchemist gear. The components for this creation are simple, yet powerful. You will need a clear glass jar or bottle. This will be our cosmic vessel. You'll also need water, some vegetable oil. Food coloring, I recommend a deep blue or black to represent the void of space, and finally, the most important ingredient, silver glitter for our stars. Parents, take note. This is a fantastic zero-mess visual science experiment. It's a fun, hands-on way to teach the fundamentals of liquid density, making science tangible and exciting for everyone involved. With all materials gathered, it's time to proceed. Let's head to the alchemy lab for the final, most exciting part. The reveal phase. This is where the magic truly happens. Step 1. The foundation. Take your jar and fill it about 1/3 of the way with water. This water will serve as the base layer of our universe. Now add a few drops of your deep blue or black food coloring and stir it until the color is uniform. This dark liquid represents the vast, mysterious emptiness of deep space. Step 2. The stardust. It's time to bring our galaxy to life. Take your silver glitter and sprinkle it generously into the colored water. Don't be shy. Watch as the tiny particles drift down, sinking through the liquid like distant stars falling through the cosmos. Each speck of glitter is a star, a sun, a world waiting to be born in our miniature galaxy. Step 3. The cosmic void. Now for the crucial part. Slowly and carefully, begin to pour the vegetable oil into the jar. Continue pouring until the jar is nearly full, leaving just a little space at the top. As you pour, watch what happens. You'll see beautiful, shimmering bubbles forming at the boundary between the oil and the water. These are not just bubbles. In our experiment, these are your new planets, your gas giants, your celestial bodies taking shape. Step 4. The motion. The final step. Secure the lid on your jar tightly. Now, gently swirl the bottle. Don't shake it, just a slow, gentle rotation. Watch in amazement as your galaxy begins to spin. The glitter stars swirl through the dark water, and the oil bubbles move like planets in orbit. This incredible, mesmerizing movement is the same kind of motion that our very own Milky Way galaxy exhibits as it spins through space. You've created a living, moving model of the cosmos. But how does it work? It's not magic. It's science. This is a perfect lesson in two key principles: density and polarity. Oil is less dense than water, which is why it floats on top instead of mixing. Furthermore, oil and water are immiscible because of their molecular polarity. Think of their molecules as tiny magnets that push each other away. They simply don't want to hold hands. The water molecules stick together, and the oil molecules stick together, creating that clear separation you see. The glitter, which is denser than both liquids, gets trapped at the boundary and suspended within the water, reflecting light just like real stars in space. This gives you a stunning three-dimensional view of a miniature universe that you can observe from any angle. Alchemy accomplished. You have officially earned the Cosmic Creator Badge. Your kitchen is no longer just a place for cooking. It has been transformed into a laboratory of cosmic proportions. You've proven that with a little bit of science and a dash of curiosity, you can hold the entire universe in your hands. Display your galaxy bottle with pride and remember the powerful scientific principles you learned today. But your training is not over. Stay alert, because our adventures are just beginning. Tomorrow, we leave the cosmos behind and return to the shadows for an entirely new challenge: the Secret Agent Academy. Mission number 1. If you're ready for more science, mystery, and adventure, hit that subscribe button to join the alchemists and the spies at the same time. You won't want to miss what we have in store. Thank you for joining me today. Alchemy dismissed.